Ready to study at one of Australia's best universities? Welcome to Edith Cowan University, ranked among the top 100 young universities in the world. Edith Cowan University stands out for its 5-star ratings in teaching quality, learning resources, student support, and skills development. Edith Cowan University is #1 in Australia for computing and information systems, offering the best overall experience and student support for IT and computer science students. Ranked 1 in Australia for education and training, Edith Cowan University leads agriculture and environmental studies, setting the benchmark for academic excellence and applied learning. Choose from top courses in computer science, engineering, business, law, health, psychology, arts, and humanities. Application open for 2026 intake. Start your bachelor or master's in Australia at Edith Cowan University. Apply now via University Authorized Partner.